Pour the condensed milk into the can of peaches, and you're gonna thank me later. Trust me. All right, here's what we're doing. I'm adding 1 standard can of sweetened condensed milk, about 14 ounces to a can of peaches in syrup. Let's mix everything together. The condensed milk, peaches, and that sweet syrup until it's all combined. Next, transfer this delicious mixture to a blender. This recipe is not only super easy, but also insanely tasty. I promise you're going to love it. Cover the blender and blend everything for about 2 minutes until smooth. Once it's blended, it's time to add 1 packet of unflavored gelatin. About 0.25 ounces. Follow the package instructions if you're using Knox gelatin. Dissolve it in 5 tablespoons of water and microwave for 15 seconds. Blend again until it's fully mixed in. Our mixture is ready, y'all. See how quick and simple that was? Let's move on to the next step. Pour the mixture into a baking dish. It's already looking so pretty. Before chilling, I like to take 3 peach halves from the can, slice them thinly, and arrange them on top of the dessert. It's optional, but trust me, it makes the whole thing look even more irresistible. Now pop it in the fridge for about 3 hours. Once it's set, just look at this gorgeous peach dessert so you can see how creamy and rich it turned out. It's absolutely delicious. You have to try this and let me know what you think in the comments below. Enjoy.